Oh man, look at this. Big size bluegill on this minnow. Green minnow, very small minnow, $1 minnow from Walmart. Look at this. Salt Creek bluegill. Largemouth bass or smallmouth bass. Look at this pattern here. I'm not sure if it's small or large, but using the same minnow. This one. Yeah. Creek bass. Nice. Nice. Let's just shoot for a bigger one. Another largemouth bass on the same jig and same lure. Here we go. Beautiful creek, Salt Creek bass. He pooped on me. Oh my God, this sucks. Okay, let me release him quickly. Here he goes. Here he goes. Go, yeah. On your own way.